as a Nepali student when they go abroad, the biggest problem that we have is communication skill. Believe you me, हामीले जानेको हुन्छ कुरा हामी बोल्न सकिरा हुँदैनौं. हाम्रो एउटा साथीले should we start farming sir लेख्नु भएको छ. Farming is not a bad option when you have spare time. According to your skill, according to your land, हामीले केही न केही गर्न सक्छौं. Nepal is agriculture country. We born with the attitude of farming. So त्यसमा कुनै त्यस्तो फार्मिङ गर्दैमा केही नराम्रो हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा छैन. आफुलाई चाहिने कुरा हामीले गर्न सक्छौं. जति सक्छौं हामीले त्यति गर्दाखेरि हेल्थको हिसाबले पनि हामी अर्ग्यानिकको कुरा गर्छौं. अहिले मोस्ट अफ द थिङ अहिले जति पनि हामीले सामानहरु बजारबाट तरकारीहरु ल्याउँछौं त्यो फर्टिलाइज भन्छौं हामी. बडी फर्टिलाइजर्सहरु युज गरेको छ व्हिच इज नट गुड फर हेल्थ. हामीले त्यो आफ्नै घरबारीमा गर्दाखेरि इट क्यान बी बेटर. आई मिन नथिङ रङ. अब हामीले होटलको भविष्यको बारेमा कति लाई चासो भइरा होला. There are a lot of people who may be querying. Of course, होटलहरु धेरै बन्द छन् अहिले. पर्यटकहरु कुनै ठाउँबाट कहीं जान पाएका छैनन् because there is no transportation. No transportation. It's locked down everywhere, but it will start. So once it start, we need to have the same attitude. हामीलाई त्यही एटिट्युडले काम गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, त्यही लेभलमा काम गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. अरु इन्डस्ट्रीलाई बढी असर भए पनि यो इन्डस्ट्रीलाई, हाम्रो इन्डस्ट्रीलाई त्यतिको असर हुँदैन. I can bet you and guarantee you, because people will need transportation after this pandemic. People will need food. People will need entertainment. People will need shelter. People will need all these things. We will be required tomorrow. Nothing to panic. Of course, it will take time. It will take till the research is over. I mean, there was a lot of flus before. Those were cured down. So we need patience. Help the poor. Very important. छर छिमेकमा कोही पनि व्यक्तिले खाना पाएको यो this is one time where you can पुण्य कमाउने बेला यही हो. If somebody do not have food, there are a lot of people daily basis मा काम गरेर खाने मान्छेहरु छन्, काम पाएका छैनन्, कामै छैन काम. So ती व्यक्तिहरुलाई हामीले आफूले सकेको जति हुन्छ यो this is a time of survival. This is not a time of enjoyment. यो अहिले जो बाँच्छ उसले भोलि केही गर्छ अनि त्यसको लागि we need to help them. Help from your perspective, whatever you can. धेरै थरीको हामीले खानु पर्दैन अहिले. We don't have to eat more. But when you help one, that people can be in the society. So your attitude haru हामीले डेभलप गर्नुपर्छ सोशल बिइङ हुनको लागि। Now lastly, especially for hotel management student now, I belong to a hotel industry, so I would like to tip some of the things that you can do during this pandemic. One, build your health. I keep on telling this. A lot of people who say me, you have your same physique for the last 10 years that I have seen you. Exercise. You don't have to be muscular. You don't have to go to gym all time to make sure that your health is musculated. But you can exercise at home. First thing, every hotel or hospitality people, they need to maintain is to be fit. And to be fit, you have to maintain your body. Number one. Number two, make sure that you eat healthy. When I say healthy, सबैले मिठो भन्दाखेरि पनि के कुरा कति खाने हो त्यो बुझ्नु एकदम आवश्यक छ। I would tell this even everybody. ब्रेकफास्ट के खाने, लन्च के खाने, डिनर के खाने, कति खाने, कति क्यालोरी हामीलाई चाहियो, हामीले यो बुझ्न सक्यो भने धेरै जसो बिमारीलाई हामी मार्न सक्छौं। हेल्दी इटिङ, इट स्टार्ट फ्रम योर किचन। What do you eat? What do you cook and what do you eat? The way you eat, the way you be. So very important. Industry ma bholi skill, they will ask only 20% of skill that you pose. Rest 80% is your character, is your attitude, is your personality, is your communication skill. So this will all come when you eat good. Very, very important. If you can't eat good, you can never be healthy. And if you are not healthy, you can never be good at your workplace. Number 3, and the most important thing, communication skills सबैले राम्रो बनाउनुस्. And that is because your accent, you जब हामी केही बोल्छौं त्यो सुन्ने मान्छेले मन पराउनु पर्छ. That is very, very much important in our industry. And that is what you can do in pandemic. Believe you me, when I started a career, I was the last to speak in my class. And I developed by looking at the mirror, communicating every day half an hour, and I developed. I know I'm still developing, but I developed from there, and today I'm confident to talk. I can talk, I can deal with people. So can you. त्यसको लागि you don't have to like साथीसँग बोल्न डर लाग्छ, लाज लाग्छ भने you can talk yourself. And best friend is not other, you can be your own friend. So make sure that your communication skill is bombarded. I mean, if that is done, people will take you. के मानव जातिले यो महामारी माथि विजय पाउन सक्ला सर? यो भन्दा ठुलठुलो फ्लूहरु आका छन्, आको थियो, त्यो सबैलाई पनि ओभरकम गरेको छ. यो पनि केही दिनमा सफलपूर्वक यसमाथि पनि विजय पाउने छौं. So don't worry about it. We'll overcome coronavirus as well. So अर्को एकजना भाइले सर एजुकेसन सिस्टम सबैलाई ताना स्टुडेन्ट र कलेज प्रसङ्ग डोन्ट वरी अबाउट एडुकेसन सिस्टमको बारेमा एकजना भाइले लेख्नु भएको छ। वन्स द पेन्डेमिक इज ओभर, यो पेन्डेमिक सक्ने बित्तिकै इक्जाम्सको रुटिनहरू आउँछ। इक्जाम त लिनै पर्ने हुन्छ। इक्जाम नलिकन स्टुडेन्टलाई अप्पर ग्रेडमा ट्रान्सफर गर्न मिल्दैन। सो डोन्ट वरी अबाउट इट। अहिले धेरै जसो कलेजहरूले इभन अनलाइन क्लासेसहरू सञ्चालन गरेका छन्, विच इज भेरी मच हेल्पफुल फर द करियर। इक्जाम डोन्ट वरी अबाउट इक्जाम कहिले भइसक्छ भनेर लेख्नु भएको छ। इक्जाम वन्स द पेन्डेमिक इज ओभर, इक्जाम विल बी देयर, डोन्ट वरी। रुटिन आउँछ, युल बी गिभन टाइम। सो अहिले सबभन्दा राम्रो समय छ, हामीले बढीभन्दा बढी तयारी गर्न सक्छौँ इक्जामको लागि। सेसन हाम्रो ढिलो हुन्छ, ढिलो चालु हुन्छ र यसमा सरकारले केही न केही नियमहरू बनाउँछ टु मेक स्योर स्टुडेन्टलाई भोलिको दिनमा कसरी कभर अप गर्ने। त्यसपछि we talk about अब होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट हो के। आई कम टु अ मेजर टपिक नाउ, जुन मेरो विषयको कुरा छ अहिले। फर्स्ट अफ अल आई लाइक टु विश अ भेरी गुड लक फर अल द SEE स्टुडेन्ट्स, क्लास 11 स्टुडेन्ट, क्लास 12 स्टुडेन्ट हु आर प्रिपेरिङ फर द इक्जाम्स। जसले इक्जामको लागि, जो साथीभाइहरूले जाँचको लागि तयारी गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ, exam will be very soon after the pandemic. We wish you good luck. राम्रो एक्जाम हुन्छ तपाईहरुको, राम्रो रिजल्ट ल्याउनुस्। SLC पछि स्टुडेन्टहरुले there are lot of course in hotel management today, जो स्टुडेन्टले पढ्न सक्ने छन्। SLC पछि स्टुडेन्टले स्ट्रेट अवे +2 गर्न सक्छ। +2 मा होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट गर्न सक्छ 2 वर्ष। इफ स्टुडेन्ट्स आर नट इन्ट्रेस्टेड इन डुइङ +2 इन होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट, कति स्टुडेन्टहरू विक हुन सक्छन् साइन्समा, म्याथमा, त्यो स्टुडेन्टहरूको लागि भोकेसनल कोर्सहरू छन्। 6 month diploma, 6 month diploma in the college, 6 month in the industry. Very short time you can make your career. You can go straight away to the industry. Vocational course को काम ही त्यही हो। जो स्टुडेन्ट्स धेरै पढ्न नरुचाएको हुन सक्छ या पढ्नमा धेरै राम्रो नहुन सक्छ, त्यो स्टुडेन्टको लागि सर्ट टाइममा स्टुडेन्टले आफ्नो करियर बनाएर इन्डस्ट्रीमा फिट हुन सक्छ। अब सर्ट टर्म इज अबाउट one particular thing you can be very good at. I have been looking, I go to lot of +2 college, I see lot of faculties doing very good training, very good student have been placed very good in the industry ले लिएका छन् भोकेसनल कोर्स गरेका स्टुडेन्टहरुलाई पनि। there are lot of people, धेरै मान्छे सोच्छन् भोकेसनल कोर्स गरेर भोलि के हुन्छ होला, इन्डस्ट्रीमा किन दिँदैन होला। दिस इज अ स्किल बेस्ड इन्डस्ट्री। यो इन्डस्ट्रीमा कामले बोल्छ र म्यानेजर पनि बन्नलाई कसैले एकदम हायर स्टडी गरेर म्यानेजर भोलि नै बन्छु भन्ने कुरा हाम्रो इन्डस्ट्रीले स्वीकार्दैन र सकिँदैन पनि। काम गर्दै गएर लेभल स्टेपिङ स्टोन पार गर्दै म्यानेजर भएका धेरै साथीहरू छन्, जसले थोरै पढेर आफ्नो सिपलाई तिखारेर इन्डस्ट्रीमा हायर लेभल पोजिसन्सहरू होल्ड गर्नुभएको छ। दे आर डुइङ वन्डरफुल। सो द्याट्स भोकेसनल कोर्स। +2 पछि पनि भोकेसनल कोर्स गर्न सकिन्छ, डिप्लोमा इन होटल म्यानेजमेन्ट। +2 सँगै पनि गर्न सक्छ स्टुडेन्टहरूले। So the choice is yours. तर once again I would say यो इन्डस्ट्री मा काम गर्नको लागि डेडिकेसन र प्यासन धेरै धेरै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ. We will have to face lot of obstacle in the society. Lot of people will push you back. They may not talk good about you. It is your choice to listen to them or not to listen to them. I have seen people, they'll crumble you like anything. Because they do not know what this industry is about. They only know this is a cooking industry. No, which is not true. This is an industry where you can cook also. धेरै डिपार्टमेन्ट छ जहाँ स्टुडेन्टहरुले भोलिको दिनमा आफ्नो करियर बनाउन सक्छ. So passion and dedications are very important when you're doing this. कसैले म गर्नको लागि गर्दिउ पढेर भोलि विदेश जाउँला. If you have that attitude, that will not help you. You have to develop an attitude where you are going to be a people who is going to lead hospitality industry. त्यो डे 1 देखि आजकल होटलमा एम्प्लोय भनिदैन, एम्बेसडर भन्छन्. एम्बेसडर किन भन्छ भन्दाखेरि unless you give that like this is my hotel, you know, my restaurant, त्यो प्यासन भएन भने त्यो काम लाग्दैन. So they call you ambassador, they don't call you employee. हामी कस्टमर भन्दैनौ, हामी गेस्ट भन्छौ. Both are similar. Why do we tell that? It's hospitality. How do you give, you know, how do you show an attitude up to the opposite? So ambassador त्यही व्यक्ति हुन सक्छ जोसँग डेडिकेसन छ, प्यासन छ, अनेस्ट छ, सर्टकट जसले हेर्दैन. Again I would say you will not be manager in a day night. कतिपय स्टुडेन्ट, I interview lot of student, ask them what you want to be, they say manager. I'm sorry, manager कुनै पनि इन्डस्ट्रीमा एकै दिनमा हुँदैन. That will be by your work performance. यो त्यो एक्सपिरियन्स किन चाहिन्छ भन्दाखेरि how much can you adopt to the situation. And it is not necessary it will take 20 years to be a manager. No, I have seen a lot of my friends in 2, 3, 4, 5 year time they become managers. That's because they were passionate. They had only one choice, hotel. They had only one job. And when you keep that in your mind, you can be faster than the other people. So passion, dedication, very much important if you want to be hotelier. Your industry ma tiknu cha bhane you get a lot of money. Don't worry, there are a lot of people, they talk negative about our industry. धेरै पैसा छ. You talk about chefs, you talk about, you know, people who work for service, housekeepers. They have a lot of money. There are a lot of extra money that you get in hotel. Tips point, service charge, enough. I mean, hotel will give you food, accommodation, transportation, medical. You save all your money. So money is not a problem. Don't worry. There are a lot of people, they may have confusion. कहाँ के कति पैसा कहाँ हुन्छ, के तलब होला. You know, every industry, you know, the basic salary will be the same. Once you grip up, you know, finish. So I like to wish and welcome everybody who want to join this industry. You're welcome. We are ready to help you. There are a lot of institute everywhere today. There are a lot of good institute everywhere. The choice is yours. They'll help you, they'll guide you, they'll take you to the right path, they'll lead you. When I started a career, there was no people who talked, you know, कसैले पनि राम्रो भनेनन् यो इन्डस्ट्रीको लागि. I took very hard and bold decision because I wanted to travel. मलाई घुम्न मन पर्थ्यो, मान्छेसँग डिल गर्न मन पर्थ्यो. So despite being a science student, a lot of people who argued, how can a science people do hotel management? After I did hotel BHM, I did MBA, and there are a lot of people, they said, how can a BHM people do MBA? Everything is a management course. It is all management course. You can do it. So keep your passion, keep your energy, be happy, think positive. There are a lot of things which will be taught to you regarding hotel, hospitality later on. So this is a little bit about hospitality industry. But till the pandemic, keep a social distance. Don't be away from your home. Be locked out at your home. Keep you healthy. Exercise a lot. Eat healthy food. Wash your hand for 20 seconds. You know why? Because the fat which comes from those sanitizers and soap kills everything that is left in your hand and face. So do that for 20 seconds at least. Be safe, be at your home. See you. Thank you for listening. Thank you.